morning, guys. So happy new week. So I've just gotten back from school right now, and today I've received so many compliments about my feet. So let me just show you guys, so this top and this trouser, and tote bag of the day was this tote bag right here, this white bag. It looked so nice. And then I wore earrings matching the same gold color as my necklace. So yeah, guys, so anyway, I had a good weekend. Today is on Monday, so yeah, I've had a good weekend. And I also wore this watch, by the way. So yeah, I got myself an egg boiler from a store in Gigi. And so I want to show you guys how it looks like. I just imagine sijafungua. Like, guys, I feel like I'm the type of person who will just get things and then like naiweka like hadi sijafungua. But yeah, so I got it on niliona on Saturday, but I haven't opened it. Imagine kutoka Saturday sijaifungua, so I want to open it right now. Imekuwa tu kwa box, like so let's open together with you guys. Like, I love unboxing stuff with you guys. So you'll see my first reaction. Guys, I ordered a pink one. I love gadgets, but I feel like I usually focus more on the color, not even the purpose. So unfortunately haikukuja pink. So let's see. Imagine imekuwa tu kwa hii box the entire time, and najua tu si ya pink because mwenye alinichukulia aliniambia si ya pink. So here's the box. Then kama ni ya pink. It's like a pretty one, guys. So and guys, the blue color matches my top. That's right. God had a reason why nilifungua leo ndio too much. So here's this curtain. Najuanga, by the way, I know this sijai tumia, but I've seen it at my cousin's place, so I know this one ya kupima maji. And then hold up, in ya hold the eggs. It can boil like 7 eggs. 4, 5, 6, 7. It can boil 7 eggs at a go, and inatumia steamer. So it's okay. Then here's the button. You could put it on and off, but it switches off itself once mayai imeiva inajizima. And then here's the instructions. Nitazisoma because I have never used it by myself, so I'll just read it. And then guys, it's nice. I feel like I have so many gadgets. Like hii mwaka ilikuwa yangu na gadgets. Like I've bought so many gadgets. I bought a toaster nilibuy last year. Nimebuy blender, nimebuy egg boiler. I love gadgets, guys. Like what? I usually say like in my house I'll have machines. Gadgets. Like I'll have gadgets for everything. Like unaingia kitchen, unapata rice cooker, unapata like onion cutter, unapata like everything guys. I'll get everything cause yeah, inanipanga to satisfaction like, and I love gadgets. So yep, I just wanna have a snack cause sahi ni almost jioni and I don't wanna have a full meal so that I can eat well during supper. So I think I'm gonna make coffee or tea. Yeah, I would have drunk soda but it's a bit cold, so yep. I'm just seeing peas and yeah, so apparently unaweza toa hii and I think you can fry an egg, but we'll try, but for now I'll just be boiling because yeah. Kama kuna watu Hi guys, so today is on Thursday and it's actually at night and it's raining. Yep, so I've had a good day. Yesterday was like I was a bit sick but ilikuwa to tonsils, so I went to the students clinic and got some meds, was treated so well. Yeah, and right now I'm okay. The meds are working. I'm still taking them. It's kinda a lot, but you know, yeah, it's the cold guys, like it's been so cold, it's been raining, and yeah, so today has been quite a good day for me. Like I had an online class in the morning, so I didn't have to go to school today. And then I did my makeup guys. Like today turned out so perfect. I even took some Instagram photos. I'll be posting them soon guys. Like yeah. Yep, I don't know why, like when I take photos meant for Instagram, I stay with them like a week, you know, just so yeah, I took the photos and then I removed my makeup. I showed you guys my removing makeup process. So I used this micellar water as a cleanser and as a makeup remover as well. Yeah, it's so easy to remove your makeup once you've applied the micellar water. And then I cleansed my face after that, and then I headed out for supper and I got back. So I bought some gouache guys. Yeah, nowadays I'm just craving the good stuff. Like I love gouaches, arrowroots, cassavas, but yeah, sijona cassavas ukushule, so I just bought arrowroots a while ago, and then I bought gouache jana and also today. So yeah, I'll be digging on this kesho. So yep, and then I don't have plans for the weekend. I think I'm just gonna go home after tomorrow's classes. I haven't been home in a while, and like next week but one I have some cats. It's only one that has been confirmed, but nashuku tu kuna zingine zitatokea. So yeah, that's why I want to go home this weekend, because I might not be able to go home the next few weekends I might be busy with schoolwork. So yeah guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update of my day and my plans for the next day. Now what happened yesterday. Yep, so guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram, otherwise you're missing out. I post very cute photos. Yep. Yeah, I'll go shy, but yeah, so I'll see you guys. I'll vlog for you half of my day.